see Joey filming. Joey, oh god, all the zoom. Need to zoom out. Well, we're going. I can't zoom out, so catch up again. Also, no windshield wipers suck. One thing I still need to get figured out on the old truck, but oh well, we made her. Heck yeah. What a beautiful place. Well, not sure if we're heading to our Airbnb or if we're heading to a bar first, but I'll check in when we get to wherever it is we're actually going so that I can actually be understood rather than screaming in this loud ass truck. So, heck yeah. Very exciting. It's going to be a great weekend. Well, apparently we're getting Little Caesars, so let's go see what these fuckers are up to. How's your death-defying drive? How's your death-defying drive?
Sideways!
You were sideways?
Hell yeah! So, Cooper Discover AT3s.
Really? I didn't even notice.
Cooper Discover AT3s and rain do not mix.
Minty. Oh. Oh yeah, he let us hear it.
The only scary thing I had, when they stopped for the RV, I slammed on the brakes and locked all 4 tires up.
Oh, nice.
I'm like, fuck, Matt's getting close.
The whatever really bumpy section of road through Bruce Crossing, my steering gearbox was like left, right, right. I'm like, I couldn't keep the truck where I wanted to fucking go. So it just wasn't having it. So, but hey, we made it. We're in Houghton. It's sadly raining. What was that?
He terrified of Malibu.
He terrified
They
of
went
Malibu.
to pass us.
You'll
right
have
as
that.
he was sideways, they were like, nope, not having none of this.
They're gone.
Well, he fucking gave her from that stoplight. Got a little loose.
Are we leaving?
Yes.
Okay.
We were just getting food.
Okay, we go back on road now.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
What a great lineup we got going on here. Bridge in the background. Heck yeah. I'd say it's going to be a good weekend. You guys just all awkwardly standing back there.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm taking photos.
It happens. Well, off to the Airbnb, call it a night, and car show fun in the morning.
Start drinking.
Yes. These guys are all laughing at their oil leaks coming out from underneath their vehicles.
Hey, man, we gotta mark our territory somehow.
Street tractor, mint as fuck.
Jeep?
No leak.
Leaking. Street tractor. And
Minty.
Obviously the Ford
Street tractor
the new
don't
car
leak.
is not leaking.
The 112 valve that isn't completely leaking everywhere at the moment.
I would like to point out there was a big block truck sitting here as well.
Oh,
There was an F-250.
mint. Give me another one of them, Matt. Oh, good stuff. Ain't that right, he's a dog? Yeah, he's a big pup dog. Let's go to our Airbnb, buddy boy. Getting everything ready to go here this morning. Fire the old street tractor up here in a minute, but man, the Michaela's truck is sounding ridiculous this morning. Holy crap. Anger. Parking brake engaged. Oh yeah.
Yours just doesn't do that.
What?
Yours just doesn't do that. You put it in park.
Oh yeah, no. The old Wiggly Jew doesn't have a park in her. Ugh. Well, I guess we're taking an unexpected detour to go see a waterfall, so heck yeah, go for a hike. No, Joey, we play later.
I think a few people have walked on this before.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
A sheer drop.
Wow. As Michaela falls to her death.
Yeah.
Here, yeah, you can film whatever. Stuff on my phone. Now that's a drop off right there. Definitely a cool little side quest for the day.
It's gorgeous.
Well worth it. Very cool.
We can go to more.
Oh yeah.
We will go to more.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry. There's tons more.
Crazy. Michaela's just leaning over the edge.
Scaring everyone. She's gonna fall.
Only you.
I know. Mostly me.
Uh-oh. Joey's doing the YouTube thing, I see.
YouTube section.
I'm coming to steal your YouTube shot. Well, back to the vehicles and back on the road, I'd say. Any more pit stops?
Not yet. I'll think of some though.
Oh, I'm sure. Not a bad car show lineup, I'd say. Good. happening?
That thing is so nice. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I do love. Oh, it is so nice.
Reagan sticker on the bumper.
The what?
It's got a Reagan for president sticker on the bumper.
That's actually hilarious.
That is amazing.
Oh, that is beautiful.
This thing is so.
It's an automatic, but
Boy.
I still like it. Very nice. Another dent.
Because I tried to find the paint code for it, and all I can get is like it was a special
Heck yeah.
factory order.
Everyone's looking good. Very cool. Very, very nice meet. There's a lot of cool cars here. Square Body's getting all kinds of attention. Everybody loves the Cummins in it, so just good stuff overall. Gonna keep enjoying the day and keep making clips of everything as we go along, huh, Joey?
Something like that.
Yeah?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, neither do I. Just keep feeling awkward and hold your phone out and let people stare at you.
Actually, I won't even record. I'll just hold my phone out like I am.
There you go. That's how you do it. So, we'll just let the day roll on. Friends,
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 Hello.
dogs.
Woofers.
We got it all.
everything that we ever need.
Baja Blasts.
Baja Blast.
Fucking
We're
set.
twinning the Baja
Bajas.
Blast,
Beer
the
in the cooler.
Bajas.
Don't mind the wind noise, but pretty nice little cruise that they're doing here out to the peak of Copper Harbor. So catch up when we get there, and I'll just try and keep filming some scenic bits. But just a nice, relaxed drive in the old street tractor, surrounded by classic vehicles. It's just there's nothing better. It's like being in a whole different era. Awesome. Well, the cruise has made it to the peak of Copper Harbor. That was a really fun cruise. I definitely had to put my phone down there and just actually enjoy it rather than trying to film more aspects of it, because you gotta live the moments you're in, so you can only enjoy so much of it if you're trying to film it all just to relive it. So put the phone down for a good portion of that drive and just enjoyed it. So I'll pick it up once we get ourselves parked here, and we'll film some more. We'll film some more cool cars. So very exciting. Let's roll on in. Be in line for a little while, so we'll catch back up. Cool cars for days. Is that Brandy? Just a few cars waiting here. Oh, good stuff.
These dogs ready to get out of the truck though.
Yeah. Oh, the big puppers. They're getting there slowly. Well, we made it. We're parked. We actually all ended up in a line with each other, which is absolutely cool. Yeah, you're right. This is imagination. But
Duncan, you're
lots of cars, lots of people. Gonna go start checking stuff out and just enjoying the afternoon.
2 hours later.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Zach?
What are you doing, Joey?
Not YouTube.
Not YouTube, I don't know. I just thought I'd film something quick.
I was gonna vote. Get that out of the way.
Yeah. Getting our voting ballots done here. But what a great show. This is
8 years.
I'm glad I didn't come on a dirt bike this year and actually made it to the show. This is absolutely awesome.
Those two dudes over there, they just came up and they were like, "Hey, is this your ID?" And he was like, "My wallet fell through the hole in the floor of my truck on the fucking highway." They were like, "Yeah, we found it like 15 miles from here."
Did you know it was gone?
No, I did
Really?
not. Really?
You literally just found your...
Those guys right there. Them two guys over there.
How many lottery tickets do you want to go buy right now?
All of them.
Holy shit, that's crazy.
Found it on the highway. And they figured, well, we'll check
Your
the
middle
car
name's
show.
John?
Yes, we'll check the car show. And sure enough, walked up, like, "Hey, is this your ID?" And I looked at it, and like, no. And I looked at it, and like, yes, it is.
It has your ID. So
Holy
it must be your
crap.
wallet.
is
Nope,
my-
it's not my wallet.
Like that happened.
Yeah, and they're like, "Well, we gotta make sure it's yours. What's your address?" And he just whipped it out, and they're like,
Whipped
"Yeah,
it
it's
out.
yours."
Done.
Okay, well, Matt is officially the luckiest person I know today.
There are still good people left in this world.
Yeah, you damn right.
Those two.
Thanks, guys. You're awesome.
Hell yeah, guys. That's fucking wild. Not sure how much more of this we're filming, but man, what an overall great day with everybody. Cool cars everywhere. Like, this is great. This is what being a car guy is all about. I will say, this is a really good angle of the car show. We've checked it all out.
You had told me what you were doing.
We've done our voting.
Yeah, you wouldn't know.
Look at your phone and
We're just chilling on the truck beds now, enjoying the rest of the day or whatever holds for us. It's gonna be fun. What are we doing after this?
Drinking.
Drinking?
No, we're
We're
going
not.
to High Rock.
I was gonna say, aren't we going to High Rock?
Yeah.
We're gonna try and take two-wheel drive trucks to High Rock.
yes, we are.
So
Brandon's going to have to drive with someone.
Brandon's gonna have to park somewhere. Know what, Brandon? Rally car.
We've taken the
Rally car.
first. Then it might
Take the
last.
bumpers off and then she might make it.
Okay.
An aluminum under.
All the tools are right there, Brandon.
Rainy enough.
Bumpers are coming off. You heard it here. I know. I'm just fucking with you.
It takes like an hour to get those.
We'll
fucking
park you at
bumpers
the
off.
bar.
Oh,
and we'll
but-
bring it up.
What a great event.
It takes like an hour.
This has been absolutely a blast.
Riding the Dodge or you're riding the Jeep.
Absolute blast. Recommend to anybody who wants to come up to Copper Harbor for this. Just nothing but a good time with friends. Oh, we got a Joey. You're gonna be that guy just blocking the road, eh? Man. Well, we just left the car show. We're heading out to another place called High Rock now, so let's go get a bunch of two-wheel drive trucks stuck in the woods. Sounds like a great plan. See what happens. I'll follow you. Here we go. I love it. Hell yeah. Diesel Dog's happy to be back in the truck, actually. Poor guy was getting a little bit tired out here. He's had a long day. We've been up since 6 in the morning. Everybody else slept in until like 9:30, 10. Like, man, we're gonna keep trucking along. We're going off-road now. Full send. We're about to go hit some dirt roads for the first time here in the old square body. This should be a nice rough ride, I'm sure. Well, here we go. How you like it, Diesel? Oh, man. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to do a bolt check when we get back on this thing. Got Matt and his little Comanche back there. He's got the perfect rig for it, but man, I don't. 3/4 ton pickup is definitely a little rough back here, I will say. It happens, we're just having fun. Well, the road somehow is getting a little bit rougher and rougher and rougher. Oh. Oh man, old square body's just bouncing on through it. Oh man. They try and roost Joey. Oh man. Just bouncing all over the place, me and Diesel are. Oh man. Absolutely hilarious. Well, I guess the old square body's an off-road rig now. Didn't plan on this, but here we are. She's the roughest off-road rig I've ever had. Oh. Oh man. Hilarious. Heck yeah. Let them all have some fun in front of me. I'm definitely the slowest one of the group here. Oh, good stuff. Love it. And they're nice. They all wait up there for me. Everybody else was smart and didn't bring a 3/4 ton diesel. Oh. I wouldn't trade this for anything different. This is just fun. Just bouncing around in the woods with my friends, I guess. Heck yeah. Well, I'm gonna pull over and let a guy around me here. I'm definitely holding him up. I'd say he's got quite the better rig than me. Nice 4Runner. Makes me miss my 4Runner now. Alright, well, he'll catch up to my friends soon, and I'll catch back up to my friends, so right on. We're just gonna keep bouncing around through here until we make it to where we're going. My friends are great. They're already waiting around the next corner for me. That is the best. Oh man, what good stuff. I don't think Diesel Dog is enjoying this part of it too much, but we're making it. We're getting through. All you can do is have fun with it, right? Oh man. Well, the road has definitely turned into more of a trail. Oh man. Oh shit, we're just bouncing. Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, square body, off-road rig. God damn. The amount of vehicles I have that would be great for this, and here we are in a square body, but you know, not that square bodies aren't good for off-road, but 3/4 ton Dodge swapped square bodies are a little bit rough off-road. Diesel would agree. Oh man, good stuff. On the bright side, my fans are holding in there great. Truck isn't even above 130 and we're just idling through all this stuff, so you know, life is good. We're just having fun out here, Diesel Dog. We're just having fun out here. Bouncing around in the woods. Hey, well, after this fucking bumpy ass little rock garden here, Square Body gets to do its first little creek crossing. We're just bouncing all over the place. Oh man, this is just hilarious. This poor truck is just being beat right now, and it's not even going 5 miles an hour. Oh, hilarious. Through the creek. Oh, man. Well, the Square Body has officially done a creek crossing. How exciting is that, Diesel? Oh my god. What an absolute riot this is. You can have the most fun at less than 5 miles an hour if you just have the right mindset. Ain't seen my friends in a while though. They know I'm doing alright, but oh man. Making our way there. Just, oh man, bouncing all over the place through the mud holes here. Yeah, they're not even really mud holes. They're pretty solid, but man. What a trip for the old street tractor this is. Holy crapper. Oh, that's a deep one. Oh, bouncing myself here. I should just stay in the truck. We're just bouncing all over the place. Poor Diesel's not enjoying this one too much, but we're getting there, Diesel. I promise. I can kind of see the lake through parts of the trees, so we gotta be getting close. Big puddle. Holy mackerel. What a rough ride. Hey, I can see my friends up there. old square body would make its way on High Rock, but man, what a bumpy ride. I think the old girl's definitely gonna need a good bolt check after this ride. Holy man. We're getting there though. Oh man, we're just bouncing all over the place. If only Diesel could tell me what he's thinking right now. I don't think he would be impressed at all. He's used to us going off-road in more plush vehicles than the square body. Oh. Absolutely hilarious. Oh. Oh man. What a riot. Well, Joey just drug bumper through this mud hole, so. Oh no. Matt's getting after it. Oh no. I don't know what my best bet is on this one, but man, that was a deep one for Joey. Oh no. This one's going to be an interesting one. Matt just told me to wait a second. Oh man. Pretty good mud holes through here. Oh god, here we go. Oh, she's bumpy. Oh, oh no. That was a deep one.
Oh my god, dude, you were above your
That was
tire.
a deep one.
You were at your
Oh. Holy shit, bud. That one got a bit rough.
Whoa!
Go for it. Oh my god, dude, you were above your tire. You were at your door.
You're fine, Matt. Holy shit, that one was deep. I seen you go through it. Oh god, Joey just drug his bumper.
We got halfway through it and I started hearing boat.
Diesel's not impressed with this scenario at all.
That was gnarly. Yeah, I was saying, we do have a guy behind us.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Well, we should probably get to a point where I can pull over more then. Holy man. That was a good hole, or a good couple of holes, like mackerel. All right, boys, get the move on. Just making our way through, you know. Holy mackerel. Yeah, I can't say I ever expected to do this in this truck. Neither did Diesel. Hilarious. What a great time. I wouldn't trade this for anything though. These are some of the best memories right here. Oh. Wrong vehicles in the wrong places. Well, at least not the Jeep, but my truck for sure. Oh. Oh man, good stuff. Well, we're gonna keep making our way through. I'm sure we're gonna find some more good stuff that. Oh, we're gonna hold on, Diesel. Poor guy, he's just bouncing around. I feel bad. Diesel gets himself into some of the worst situations with me. Oh, man. All right, well, we're going to keep bouncing through here. See how much farther we got to go. Oh, no, Matt just picked some. Is that his exhaust? Not that you can see him up there, but Matt just lost something off his Comanche. Oh, no. That is the exhaust. Oh no!
I lost them.
Hey, is that your? You! She got a little bit loud there, bud.
Huh?
She got a little bit loud.
Yeah, it did.
Yep, he indeed lost the exhaust off his truck. Poor guy. Oh man. Oh. Well, I see Lake Michigan. Oh boy. Oh man, what a beautiful area. Can you ask to pop out in any better of a spot? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I can't believe the old square body's out here right now. This is insane. Absolutely hilarious. Oh. I found my friends. My friends are here. The square body made it.
Good job.
That's only a little bit of a rough ride in a 3/4
it's
ton.
Fine. You're doing great.
Oh man.
Ain't got it, money.
All right, well, we're gonna park next to our friend. It ain't no 6'2". Oh man, what an absolutely great time. I can't believe the square body's out here. This is absolutely kind of stupid, but good times. Wouldn't have it any other way. I got gears. Oh man. Well, that was a rough ride.
I lost something.
I was fine.
Yeah, Matt lost his exhaust in the last mud hole here. I pick up my phone. I'm like, oh, Matt's picking something up. Like, oh, that looks like his exhaust. Oh, what a beautiful view. All right, well, we got some scenic pictures to take now and just some good times to take in. Well, I'd say welcome to High Rock.
Would you?
I guess.
I do.
Hell yeah.
Rock.
Yeehaw!
Welcome.
Square body, Jeep, Dodge, and other square body made it out here just fine. Like, definitely a bumpy ass ride for myself, but oh man.
How's the kidneys?
I'm feeling it. Definitely had a side ache about 3/4 of the way through there, but
I can't believe I abused my truck that much.
what a majestic view.
It is a nice photo.
It really is. They look nice out here. I'm quite satisfied. It's not the vehicle I ever expected to take out here, but you know, it looks fitting in this view right here.
Like I was telling my camera,
Like,
that fucker was
man.
underwater.
What was?
The Jeep.
The Jeep? I watched you go through the one mud hole. I go, oh, he's dragging bumper through it. Oh, fuck. And then you're just bouncing all over the
I'm
place.
watching the rear view and the water's going over the headlights of the Jeep.
Oh, it went over the headlights of the Jeep? Is that only because of how fast you hit it or how deep it was?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Coming out of it, the grill decided it wanted to come out of the Jeep.
That's hilarious. And like I said before, that's the most off-roading I ever anticipated on doing with the square body and then some.
There you go.
And the best part is, we get to go back.
That's what I said. We're recording the entire way back.
Are you?
That's why I built that Jeep.
I'll probably only film the way back if it gets interesting, just because I filmed a good majority of the way here. But
I did not. I was letting my phone charge.
what a wonderful view of Lake Michigan.
You knob. It's Lake Superior.
Is it Lake Superior?
Yes.
Wow, I'm a fucking idiot.
I was like, that's not Lake Michigan.
What do you expect from me, guys? Damn it. Well, here we are.
I wasn't going to say anything.
That's good. Only a little bit of a knob here. Oh, man. Well, I suppose it's time to just enjoy the night here.
Agreed.
All right, let's get to it. Well, time for us to hit the road. Oh man, time to go bounce all the way back through this trail, so we're in for a treat, Diesel. We'll meet these guys at the Blacktop Road, so we'll tune in if anything great happens, but otherwise we're just bouncing through all the same stuff we bounced through the first time, so here we go. Goodbye, High Rock. High Rock 2025 for me, I guess. Right on. Diesel's first time at High Rock. Oh man, what a good time. Beautiful out here, absolutely beautiful. Like I said though, sun's going down, we're on the road, so catch back up in a little bit. Man, I've actually found a spot where for once first gear is useful in this thing of just crawling up these rocky, bumpy hills. Poor Diesel is not impressed at all. He is so ready to get back to the Airbnb and call it a night. We're bouncing our way up here. We'll meet up with our friends again eventually, but man, definitely gonna have to take the Blazer up here when she's finished though. This is where the Blazer belongs, not the square body. Just nice and bouncy through here. We're making our way though. My friends are great though. I mean, I wouldn't come out here if it wasn't for them. And even though I'm in this truck, I mean, it doesn't make the experience any different. This is just absolutely great. Like, it's not about having the right vehicle to be out here. It's all about enjoying the time you have and where you're at. So it's wonderful. We're having fun. We're having a blast. The Cummins is doing absolutely amazing, even though we're not in its environment at all. I think we can grab second gear though now. Oh yeah, there's second gear. All right. We can creep a little bit faster out of here now as we bounce off more rocks, but what a wonderful time. We should be out to Blacktop soon. We'll be catching up to the main dirt road section here, right probably above this hill, but not much farther after that to actual Blacktop and peace again. Oh, okay, yep, that's a first gear scenario. Yep, nice and crawly up this. Yeah. Oh. Not the environment for the old square body, but hey, like I said, we're just enjoying our time. We're having fun out here. That's all you can do. Well,
Glad we could be a part of it.
a nice quick intermission. They're not doing illegal things, I swear. Diesel, bring your ball here. Show everybody how fast you are. Diesel, Diesel, come here. Diesel, you're running too fast. Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you drop it? Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. No, drop it. Watch Diesel go. Oh, he's a big dog. Good boy. He's happy to run. You needed the run around, didn't you, Diesel dog? Didn't you, Diesel dog? Good boy. How's everybody's High Rock experience going?
Wonderful. My head hurts. My truck is
Your head hurts.
I may have smacked.
You want to ride in that with me?
Oh, you weren't hitting him at fucking 30.
Joey's just driving spiritedly. What do you
There's
expect?
probably a dent in his roof from my skull. My headliner's falling down.
Michaela has a trophy. That's not incriminating at all, Michaela. Oh, the doggo's run.
Zach, would you like to park up there?
Oh, I'm fine.
We all did.
Do you want a picture of my truck up there, Joey?
I can have my camera guy record it. I mean, Michaela got.
You are a big YouTuber now. You have a recorder.
Michaela did get a picture of all three of them, so it's only fitting.
All right. Well, I'll pull the square body up there quick.
Michaela.
Here, recording guy.
Oh, recording man.
Just record me pulling up there too.
Will do.
Okay.
Hey, Michaela. Zach's gonna pull up there too if you want to get a picture on your phone.
What?
Zach's gonna pull his truck up there too if you wanted to get a picture on your phone.
Oh, without the
Sign that wasn't there.
Diesel, come here.
Diesel, come on. Hit your ball.
You're good. Yeah.
The trucks are successfully together once again.
Hi, Hootie. Hi.
Well, we got our picture of the High Rock sign and we're loading back up, so back on the road we go. You go in front of me. Oh, good call. Good old Joey behind us. Well, we'll just continue on. Hopefully they don't go too fast. I'm gonna hold Joey up now. All right, on our way out to Blacktop. phone truly does it no justice of how absolutely beautiful it is driving out of here. Michigan's great. Absolutely great. Joey's just dealing with my speed now, so we gotta be out the blacktop here soon. Like, holy crap. I've heard more clunks and clanks out of this truck over this last couple hours than I think I've ever heard. So we gotta be close to being out of here, but these dogs ready to be done with this. Doing great though. Sunset is looking to be like a nice one tonight, so like I said before, what a wonderful day. Good news. We have found the road. Holy man. Got Duncan playing with an RC. Alright. Well, Diesel, you want to get up and run around again? Holy man. Alright, buddy. Woo. Come on. I don't think Diesel's ever been so happy to see blacktop, and he doesn't even know what blacktop is. Oh. Good boy, Diesel dog. How was that?
I shifted to 4-low. I was like, if we're gonna follow Zach out, I want to use a gear I haven't in a long time.
That's funny. Oh, wow, Joey, I don't think I've ever seen this truck so dirty.
Here, let me see that.
Okay.
Here's something that I can guarantee you've never seen.
Has anybody seen the front of the Jeep? My headlights are useless.
What's that?
My headlights are useless on the Jeep. Here, come take a look.
Why did they fall out?
No.
What happened to your Jeep? Oh, they're just full of mud. That's minor details. They'll shine through.
Hey, you got the exhaust on.
Oh,
You did.
man.
Exhaust
Oh,
on.
that's right. We gotta get Brandon's car. Holy man. Come on, Diesel. Come on, Diesel. Back in the truck, buddy boy. Yeah, you big happy dog. You a big happy dog. Yeah. Yeah. Look at you. Oh, happy dog. All right, bud. We're going back in the truck. All right. Well, we're heading back to our Airbnb now, so. We're going up Rockway, but also we're heading back to our Airbnb. Duncan's truck just died.
I'm going to get my car first.
But
Duncan just stalled an automatic.
Duncan did just stall an automatic. That takes talent. Woo! And we're off. pretty cool drive. Definitely one of the highest points around here, I guess. Neat. Well, we found our friends again. Well, we're gonna go check out the sites here, so. Very cool, another very cool day. Or another very cool spot, I should say. It's just been a good day all in general, so. Cool. This is awesome, like, the elevation is amazing. Cool. Oh, bud. Man. How cool. Like I've said a bunch of times today, this has been an absolute wonderful day. Like, car show, the places we've gone and seen, like, absolute blast. Can't thank the friends enough for making me tag along on this one. It's been an absolute riot. To everybody we talked to at the car show today, like, can't believe how many people I actually got to talk to about the truck today. It was outstanding to see how many people actually liked it, wanted to talk to about it, and maybe even got some new subscribers to the channel. So that was an absolute blast. So to everybody who is watching this, thank you. It's an absolute blast to come out here and film stuff, even though this isn't my normal kind of content. I'm getting more comfortable starting to film this kind of stuff, but it's an absolute blast. So I hope everybody enjoys this kind of vlog style thing, but this is my coverage of Copper Harbor Car Show 2025, so I hope everybody's enjoyed it. But I think I'm going to cut off the video for there, enjoy the rest of my weekend, and we'll get on with it from there. But the view is absolutely amazing.